So good morning all. Last class we discussed about Bayesian algorithm. In today class we are going to see some examples on Bayesian classification algorithm. So this is the frequency table. This is the frequency table. In this there are three classifications. So one is mango, second is banana, so third one is others. So these three are the classifications. So now, so based on this set, you are going to classify the fruit X. So for example, there is a fruit X. Now, so based on this data set available to you, you are going to categorize this X as first category, that is mango, or the second category banana, and the third category others. That means maybe this X belongs to M or B or others. Okay, so consider the given data set, apply the Navi Bayes algorithm, and predict that if the fruit having the following properties, then which type of fruit it is. That means, so this is the data set. Now this X belongs to first category or second category or third category. Okay, we are going to predict. Here we are predicting this X, so based on the Navi Bayes algorithm. Okay, these are the values. So this is the mango. So this is 350 yellow. So 450 sweet and long is 0. And total mangoes are 650. Similarly, banana. So yellow 400, sweet 300, long 350, and the total bananas are 400. Others, the yellow is 50, the value of the yellow is 50, sweet 100, long 50, and the total of other fruits are 150. Okay, now these are the totals. So total yellow color fruits are 800. So sweetness 850. So total sweet 850 and the long is 400. So these are the total of yellow, sweet and long. Okay, so these are the totals of categories. So mango 650, so banana 400, others 150. So this is the total fruits value. Okay, now so we are going to predict so based on the Navi Bayes algorithm. Okay, so now the X may be, the first case is the X may be mango. The X may be mango. Now this is the X may be mango. So that is the probability. So probability of X by mango equals to, so probability of Y by mango. That means yellow by mango. So probability of sweet by mango and probability of long by mango. Okay, in next iteration you are going to find the probability of X by banana. X by banana. So then also you are going to find the probability of Y, that means yellow by banana, and the probability of sweet by banana and probability of long by banana. So this is the second case. And what is the third case? So probability of X by others. It may be the X is other. Then also you are going to find so probability of yellow by others, that means Y by O, into probability of S by others and the probability of long by others. Okay, we are going to find these three values. So this is the first one, second one and third one. Now we get three values. Now we get three values. If in this you are going to predict what is the X. X may be mango, X may be banana, X may be others. So how we can predict means here we got three values. Which is the highest value we got? So that is a prediction, our prediction. If the mango get the highest value, then the X is mango. If the second value is highest value, then it is banana. The X is banana. And if the third value is highest value, then the X is other fruit. Okay, so this is the calculations we are going to do. Okay, so first we see the probability of X by mango. So probability of X by mango. So probability of X by mango. So for that we are going to calculate probability of yellow by mango, probability of sweet by mango, probability of long by mango. So first you take this one. Probability of yellow by mango. So probability of Y by M. The Bayesian theorem is probability of M by Y into probability of Y by probability of M. Okay. So now we see probability of M by Y. M by Y. So what is the M here? M means mango. Just wait. Okay. So probability of M by Y here. What is the probability of M here? So M is 350 and the yellow is 800. So we write 350 by 800 is the probability of mango and yellow. And probability of Y. So probability of Y, that is total yellow by total fruits. So what is the total yellow fruits? 800 and the total fruits are 1200. So now 800 by 1200 is probability of Y. By so probability of M. So probability of mango is 650. So that means total 650 mangoes and the total fruits are 120. So 650 by 120. Okay. If you calculate, so we get 350 by 650, 7 by 13, 0.54 for so probability of Y by M. So 0.54 for probability of Y by M. Similarly, so next we are going to find probability of S by M. Probability of S by M. What is the formula? Probability of S by M means so sweet. So this is the mango. Okay. So probability of mango by sweet, that means M by S into probability of S by probability of M. Okay. So M by S. M by S means mango by sweet. Okay. Now we see the sweet is 450 and the total is 850. So 450 by 850 into the P of S, that means the 850 by 1200. So this is the 850 sweet by 1200, the last record. So 850 by 1200. Okay. And so P of M equals to 650 by 1200. If you calculate, if you solve this, we get 0.69 as the answer for probability of S by M. And similarly, so probability of L by M. So probability of L by M equals to probability of M by L into probability of L by probability of P of M. Okay. Here, so M by L. M means mango by L. So what is the total? What is the total here? So total is 400. If you observe that the total is 400, but it is 0. So 0 by 400. 0 by 400 into so P of L 400 by 12. That means In 1200 total, so 400 are long. By 650 by 1200, if you calculate this, we got 0. Okay, so here we solve, so P of y by m, so P of s by m, so P of l by m. Now you multiply all these values, then we got 0 as an answer. Then we got, so 0 as a answer. So this is the probability of mango, 0. Next, same procedure we are going to apply on banana. Here we are taking x, probability of banana. X may be a banana. How? So y by b, so probability of y by b, so probability of s by b, probability of l by b, Same procedure. So probability of y by b equals to, so probability of b by y. So b by y means here we are taking, so b by y. What is the b here? Mango. Y. That means 400 by 800. 400 by 800 into p by y. So p by y means, so 800 by 1200. 800 by 1200 by, so probability of b. So probability of b means, so banana is 400. Here the total, and the total fruits are 1200. Okay, 400 by 1200. So now if you calculate this, so P of, just wait, if we calculate this, we got 1 as an answer. Okay, if you solve this, we get, so 1, just wait, so 1 as an output here. So this is the 1 actually. So 400 by 800 into 800 by 1200 by 400 by 1200, we got, so 1 as an answer. Next you are going to find, so P of s by b. So P of s by b equals to, so P of b by s into P of s by, so P of b. What is the P by s? P by s. What is the b value here? The b value is 300. So banana 300. So s value 850. So 3 by 850. And P of s, sweet, so 850 by 1200. So 850 by 1200 by, so P of b equals to 400 by 1200. If you calculate this, we get 0.75 as the answer for this P of s by b. Similarly, we are going to find, so P of l by b. So b by l equals to 350 by 400. Probability of l equals to, so 400 by 1200. So probability of b equals to 400 by 1200. If you calculate this, we got, so 0.87 as the answer. 0.87. Okay, now we are going to calculate x by banana. So how we can find this? So by using probability of y by b, so probability of s by b, probability of l by b. So what's the value of probability of y by b? 1. So probability of s by b 0.75. So probability of l by b 0.17. Okay. Now the value is 0.65. What is the probability of x by m? That means a mango, that is 0. This is equals to 0. Here we got 0.65 as an answer for, the probability of this x may be banana. And we have another case. The other case is if the x belongs to others. Okay, so how we can find this means by using P of y by o, so P of s by o, P of l by o. Again you are going to perform the same operations. So what we done in our previous case. So P of y by 0, y by wo. This is not 0, it is wo. That means others. So yellow by others. If you substitute, we got 0.33 as the answer. 0.33. And similarly, we are going to find, so P of S by O, we got 0.66 as the answer. For probability of L by O, we got 0.33 as the answer. Okay. And this is the final probability for others. So P of X, Y by O, that means yellow by O. P of S by O means sweet by others, and L by O long by others. If you multiply all these values, we got 0.007 as a answer. Okay. So what is the first one? Probability of X by mango, the value is 0. So probability of X by banana, the value is 0.65. So probability of X by others, the value is 0.07. Now, if you observe that, so banana has the highest probability among all fruits. Why? This is the highest value in these three. So 0.65 is the highest value. So banana has the highest probability among all fruits. So the X is the fruit is a banana. Okay. So this is the example for Bayesian classification. So Navi Bayes algorithm. We see one more example for this. Okay. Here, this is the data set. Consider the given data set, apply Navi Bayes algorithm, and predict that the outcome of a car. Outcome of the car. So car equals to red, SUV, domestic. So this is the input. Now you are going to predict is stolen or not. So consider the given data set. Here, this is the data set. So color, type, origin, stolen. Okay, this is the data set: red, sports, domestic, yellow. So consider the given data set, apply Navi Bayes algorithm, and predict that the outcome of a car. So what is the outcome here? We have two outcomes here. What is the first one? It is stolen. That means yes is the one outcome. Another outcome is no. Okay, so consider the given data set, apply Navi Bayes algorithm, and predict that the outcome of a car, the car equals to red, SUV, and domestic. Now you are going to predict yes or no, it's stolen or not. Okay, so what is the Navi Bayes theorem? So Navi Bayes theorem is P of A by B equals to P of B by A into P of A by P of B. So probability of B by A into probability of A by probability of B. Okay. So we have two cases. One is yes, another one is no. So first one is stolen. Okay. Now the X, this X may be yes or no. Now you are consider this X as a yes. That equals to P of red by S, P of SUV by S, P of domestic by S. Okay, so red is the color. So SUV means type of the car. So domestic means it imported or it is in design, or it was designed in the current country or not. So that we are calling it domestic. Okay, so first we are going to find the probability of red by S. So probability of red by S. So how we can find that? So probability of red by yes equals to probability of yes by red into probability of red by so probability of yes. Okay. Here, just wait. Okay. Okay. If you see the, if you see this, so this is the probability of yes by red. So how many reds here? 1, 2, just wait. How many reds here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this, how many yes are there? 1, 2, and 3. That means if the red is the color, then it is stolen 3 times. So P of y by yes into P of red. Okay. So P of red. So probability of red is the total entries are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. In this, so 5 are the red colors. 5 are the red colors. So 5 by 10. And probability of yes. If you observe here the 10 entries. In these 10 entries, so 5 is yes, so 5 is no. So 5 is yes and 5 is no. So the probability is 5 by 10. If you calculate this, we got so 0.16 as an answer. 0.16 as a answer. Similarly, so probability of SUV by yes. So probability of SUV by S, that equals to probability of S by SUV into probability of SUV by probability of S. Okay, now you can observe that. So probability of S by SUV. Here SUV. So how many SUVs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 SUVs. In these 4, only one S is there. So S is 1, so 4 is SUVs. Into, so probability of SUV. So total cars are 10. In these 10 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the SUV. Okay, by, so probability of S is 5 by 10. Already we discussed that. So if you calculate this, the value of probability of SUV by S is 0.2. And the probability of domestic by S equals to, so probability of S by domestic. Here the domestic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means total 5. In these 5, there are only 2. 1, another one is 2. For remaining values, there is no. So this is the 2 by 5 into 5 by 10 by 5 by 10. If you evaluate this, we got 0.14 as an answer. 0.14 as an answer. Okay. And what is the final answer for this? So probability of x by s, 0.6 into 0.2 into 0.4, that equals to 0.048. 0.048 is the probability of yes stolen. Okay, we have another case. So probability of not stolen. So probability of not stolen. So how we can calculate? So probability of x by no. So probability of red by no. Probability of SUV by no. So probability of domestic by no. So here the probability of red by no. The same procedure. So probability of no by red. How many no's for red? The total reds are 5. How many no's here? 2 no's. So 1, another one is this one, 2. So it is 2 by 5. And similarly, so probability of red in 10 cars, so 5 are the red, so 5 by 10 by, so probability of no, so probability of yes and no, both are the same, 5 yes, 5 no, so the probability of no is 5 by 10, 5 by 10. If you evaluate this, we got 0.14, sorry, 0.4 as a answer for this calculation. So 2 by 5 into 5 by 10 by 5 by 10 equals to 0.4. Okay. Similarly, for probability of SUV by number, that is probability of no by SUV. Here you are taking the SUV or 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the no is 3. In this, no is 3. So 3 by 4 into probability of SUV 4 by 10 and probability of no is 5 by 10. That equals to 3 by 5. We got 0.6 as an answer. And the next one, so probability of domestic by or no. Just wait. Okay. So probability of domestic no. So that equals to probability of no by domestic into probability of domestic and probability of no. So domestic means here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3 by 5. In this, no's are 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 no's are there. So 3 by 5 into, so probability of domestic is so 5 by 10 by, so probability of no is 5 by 10. If you calculate this, we get 0.656, 0.6 as output. Okay. Now, what is the total probability of X by no? So probability of red by no. So probability of SUV by no. The probability of domestic by no. If you calculate all these values, what is the probability of red by no? 0.4. So probability of SUV by no, 0.6. The probability of domestic by no, we got 0.6. If you multiply these three, we got 0.144 as an answer. Now, so what is the probability of X by S? 0.048. Probability of X by S equals to 0.048. 0.048. And the probability of X by no. So probability of X by no equals to 0.144. Therefore, if you observe that, so in these two values, 0.144 is the highest value. This is the highest value. So therefore, the car is not stolen. Okay, that means N. Since the probability of number of no is highest. If you observe that, here the value of N is the highest when comparing to Y. So therefore, the car is not stolen. Okay. So these are the examples for Navi based algorithm.